Hanyo hai tuwi phaipika norong biskango kaisa ketal video puilano lamsogo joto bayap songno athukri keriyaro tinini video norok tam nugui mannai hingke omongkha biskango phaitongnai TPSC ni kwbangma competitive exam rokni bagui omo tei omongkha especially biskangni ICDS CDPO Panchayat Executive Officer ni bagui belai kheno nangnai tangui hingke oro Indian Constitution ni bisingono Panchayat Raj ni topics no twisimi o video tubjaka tinini je question tongmani jotono Panchayati Raj ni related question mang abon bagai omo ICDS Panchayat Executive Officer tei CDPO ni bagai special o video norok omoni PDF bu free manui mannai chini Telegram channel ni bisingtei chini Telegram channel no follow khaiye norok free PDF download khainai mannai 1 week ulo rojangnai o PDF logo logo rojaklak chini Telegram channel o abon bagai norok chini Telegram channel no follow khaitondi o video ni description o link rirnai omo haitebo Tripura ni competitive exam rok ni bagai nangmani video mannan bagai chini channel bai kerangi tongdi bell icon sini kisa subscribe khairdi tai like share bo khair fighting ke tinni first question nalesinai Panchayati Raj ni number 1 when did the Panchayati Raj Act come into force in India Panchayati Raj Act India o bufuron chimi tubjakain chungoro omni right answer angka A 24 April 1993 wo India o Panchayati Raj Act pass tangai apply khaijaka India o omongkha 24 April 1993 wo abon bagaino takaisa muitnarakdi omni loge loge Panchayati Raj de bufuro palaijak bosor potino India o 24 April o palaijago always no every year o act ni samung apply khaijangman bagai next question when was the Panchayati Raj system implemented in Rajasthan o question tam sakanai di Panchayati Raj system Rajasthan o first bufuro implement khaijaka means bufuro apply khaijaka omni logo logo muitnarak di Panchayati Raj system India ni bisingo Rajasthan no first apply khaijago implement khaijago omni right answer angkha 2nd October 1959 omni answer nongman bisingtei baksa baksa question khaimano Panchayati Raj Act o 1993 o se pass ongo hingke Rajasthan o hingke tangai 1959 no angkha ni sangi mano India o age ni simino British ni rule ni simino Panchayati Raj system tongo haipano India ni joto state o apply khaijagi amo hingke 1993 ni act pass ngani ulo hingke India ni joto state no apply khaijaka implement khaijaka tere phadingke next question thanglai what is the smallest unit of Panchayati Raj Panchayati Raj ni joton chai chikon unit tamo hinchungoro omni right answer angkha A village panchayat next question on whose recommendation Panchayati Raj system was established in India saboni naimani bisingtei eba ke dagiman bisingtei Panchayati Raj system no in all India wo establish khaijaka omni right answer angkha A Balwan Rai Mehta committee bini dagimong ni bisingtei eba ke naimani bisingtei Panchayati Raj system no establish khaijaka India wo abon bagai Balwan Rai Mehta no father of Panchayati Raj bo hinjago abo muitnarak de appoint omorok te question to phaipanation next question what was the main purpose behind bringing the Panchayati Raj system to India tamni bagai o Panchayati Raj system no India o tubjaka hinchungoro bini main purpose tamo omni right answer angkha decentralization of the political power to the general peoples nadi tam saka hangke political power no decentralize khainan bagai omo tubjaka means para rogo panchayat rogo je problem mani para ni bising rogo je problem mani abo panchayat ni bisingo no solve khaimanante omo tubjaka je kono panchayat rogo problem angkhanke central ni minister rok phai to solve khaigalabli abon bagai o system no tubjaka next question which of the following article is related to Panchayat Raj bo article of Panchayati Raj ni related tongmin chungo omni right answer angkha A article 243 which part of the constitution describe the Panchayati Raj system Indian constitution ni bo part o Panchayati Raj system tonghin chungo omni right answer angkha part 9 o tongo Panchayati Raj system Next question. Which schedule was added to the Constitution by the 73rd Constitutional Amendment? 73rd Constitutional Amendment ni bisingtui Indian Constitution bo schedule dajaka hinsungo Panchayati Raj. Omni right answer angka D 11th schedule Panchayati Raj tongo. Next question. Who is the founder of Panchayati Raj? Important. Panchayati Raj ni founder sabo hinsungo sabo tu ka first. Omni right answer angka C Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi tu kya Panchayati Raj system no India of first. Next question. How many tiers are in the Panchayati Raj system of India? Panchayati Raj system o kaibasuk tier tong hinchungoro. Omni right answer angka C 3 tier tongo. Muchunaragdi. Next question. Who is responsible for the election of Panchayati Raj institution? Panchayati Raj institution ni election ni bagai sabo responsible hinchungoro. Omni right answer angka State Election Commission. Next question. What should be the age of the candidate for the Panchayat election? Panchayat election o basnan bagai je candidate nango. A candidate ni boyas busuk nang hinchungoro minimum. Omni right answer angka A 21 years. Ngan nango Panchayat election basnan hinge. Next question. At what level is the Gram Panchayat Raj system? Gram Panchayat Raj system bo level of hinchungo. Omni right answer angka at the village level. Village level of. Next question. What type of elections were made for Panchayati Raj institution in the 73rd amendment? Direct and secret voting. Panchayati Raj system is based on. Jeng thasing question naikya aw bai kisa same no Panchayati Raj system tamno tui snamjaka hinchungoro. Omni right answer angka B Decentralization of Power. Next question. Which amendment reserved 1/3 of the seat in the Gram Panchayat for women? Bo amendment no 1/3 seat narjaka hinchango brirong bagai Gram Panchayat. Omni right answer angka C 73rd amendment. Next question. Where was the first municipal corporation established in India? India ni first municipal corporation bo jaga established khaijaka hinchangoro. Omni right answer angka B Chennai o joton sei first India ni municipal corporation khulokjao. Next question. Block Panchayat is also known as. Block Panchayat no tekaisa tamamung ni sinijak. Omni right answer angka Village Samiti. Next question. Who decides for election to Panchayat? Panchayat ni election no sabo decide khai hinchungo. Omni right answer angka State government decide khayo. Next question. Which state does not have Panchayati Raj? India ni bo state o Panchayati Raj system kari hini chaworo. Omni right answer angka C Nagaland, Meghalaya tai Mizoram o Panchayati Raj system kari. Tabugo omorok belakini important buskangni phaitongnai ICDS exam ni bagai tinini session asang nangkha joto bai apsangna belakina hambai om haitebo Indian Constitution ni different topics ni questions rok tupai phaijangnai chin channel ni bisingtei abon bagai norok chin channel bai kerengi tongmano belakisa belaikan chini subscribe khaitondi tai like share bo khair.